Guys, so it's Serena's birthday week and we're vlogging because I know she'll want to make a vlog of this, but she's really sick today. We're waiting under her building. We've asked her roommate, we've texted her secretly to come and let us in because we can't go up to Serena's apartment without it. So this is her birthday week surprise number 1, and luckily her cravings are as good as laddus and not like Swarovski and stuff. This is her roommate who's helping us give the surprise. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. That's the sick person setup. Can you show your reaction? Your vloggers are not happy about this.
I didn't do it, no?
No, she has to make a mess.
Hi guys. Sorry for the mess in this house. We're in the process of moving. But today is an exciting day because it's my birthday tomorrow. So it's my birthday eve and it's sunny and it's nice. So the plan is just to go up and see a waterfall. I am one of those people who's constantly overexcited about her birthday. She wants, everyone to be overexcited. I want gifts, I want attention. I want basically everything. Today, as you can see, I'm looking like a purple Teletubby. So also the one thing that I do on my birthday is I pick a song and then I just only hear that for 3 days. So I have a birthday song, and this is really weird, but I have a birthday song and that birthday song is Jumma Chumma De De. I don't hear it throughout the year ever except for the 3 days before my birthday, and I'm just like hyped and I'm like okay, it's birthday time. I am also turning 24. It's such a weird age because 24 is like, oh, she's like, you're so young but you're also kind of old, but you're not as old as like 26, 27, but you're like still old. And I'm like, oh, what am I doing? Yeah, I mean, my mom was having me at 24 and here I am going to see waterfall in Teletubby costume. Love the fact that my laptop needs to remind me that it is my birthday. Siraj's having Fruit Loops, Tanya's having Caesar, I'm having 4 Caesars, that's Angad, he's having a beer. Angad's having a beer. Hi guys. No, do it? Oh, hi guys. Anyway, this is my flight of Caesars, and this is Korean, Chinese, Afghan and Canadian, and my top pick is Afghan because of the textures of what and a hint of spicy and it's good. My second would be actually Canadian because comfort. And then third would be Chinese because I can taste the chili sauce, but it's not like a lot. I think they could have put like 5 more spoons, then it would have been fine. I don't like this because they've crushed the kurkure and made the rim, and I don't like it. Why is that the one that's the most empty though? Because I started with the thought process that I should finish one karke, then I was like no, I'll have all of them together. So we're heading to the waterfall now. Hi guys, update. We thought that this was going to be a straight walk to the waterfall, but we've gone like this. So going back is going to be really tough. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in Nainital in some summer camp. I don't know where we are going.
I definitely did not dress up like this for a summer camp. I'm wearing my new shoes.
I'm wearing new clothes. So forget anything. This is the tiny bridge. And that's a tiny waterfall. Why are you just standing and looking? Not even like I'll give my hand in case you fall. Angad, don't look here. So we are at the falls, as you can see. It looks like a Disney ride, and I want to sit in a boat and go in the falls. But that's dangerous, don't do it.
I've never seen all the colors like this.
It's like someone is
literally
So Angad is making us hear South Indian songs that have absolutely no meaning to it.
The last line was the ribbon of X color that we don't know. The ribbon of some color is your father.
The one we heard was shoot the pigeon, shoot the pigeon. Oh,
your
it's not.
pants down,
Oh,
shoot
it's
the pigeon.
no. Oh, it's not a pigeon. It's a parrot. Let's shoot the pigeon. That was the first paragraph.
What is I'm concerned with his
Yeah.
song choices. Oh, I was like,
That's fine.
they are your song choices. Nandan.
Our little hike to the waterfall is now over. We are going back to Vancouver. It was not as easy as we thought, but it was not as hard as we thought. Yeah, we really thought like while going down the waterfall, like oh the climb up is gonna be like terrible to back to the car, but it wasn't. We made it. Like no one was dying. Then Ananya is now hungry, so she's eating McDonald's. Few hours to go. My friends have gone out and they're talking in secret.
It's not worth the hype.
Oh, it's not worth the hype. I was feeling hyped and excited. Movie Angad has killed. And I was like,
You want false hype?
yeah.
Okay, in that case, they're planning something massive.
Oh my god. Are they gonna get me a helicopter? Is that
No,
what
no.
it is?
Why are you thinking so small? Think bigger, dude.
Cruise ship. We're
Think
going
bigger.
on a 6-month vacation to Europe.
Yeah. Oh, nailed it, Serena. Damn.
Big dream.
Guys, she knows what the surprise is.
A 6-month vacation in Europe. Thank you guys.
Oh
She found out.
I become a little bit of a child on my birthday. I'll show you where we're going. It's this place and it has over 200 flavors of ice cream. So now we're gonna go in and I'll show you.
Cute लग रही है तो कैप में. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about that.
So now these two are missing. I don't know where they've gone. I don't know what is happening. I'm just sitting in the car and people are getting chucked out and this is the next 6 months to Europe. The year in Europe now. It is. I got it.
Yes.
I figured it out. Anyway, so we went to a bar and we played a game where everyone's supposed to order a drink for someone else. But this next
It
time
was
we
80% failure,
yeah, but
20% success.
but I'm gonna change the rules next time.
Oh no.
So everyone's gonna be surprised, shocked, whatever they would like to be. But we went to this place called Flamingo Room and they were very like nice. They had a like guitarist and stuff, but it was very loud. It was very small, but good. To us. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Serena.
No. Keep it. Grave.
So guys, basically Srina always complains about how when she's dancing on the road, her socks always tear because she spins during Kathak. So we've given her more socks.
It's a blue top.
I went through your entire Instagram, checked all your crop tops, and I was like, let me see what color she doesn't have. And I went to the place and I was like, I need the brightest tops possible because she loves
And
colors.
she always takes the same one for green for me.
Eyeshadow!
And a brush for beginners.
Because we've gotten a beginner's eyeshadow palette. Because Serena is like always fascinated by all of our skincare and makeup. The eyeshadow we got her shows you how to do it because the shape of the eyeshadow is the shape of an eye.
Yeah.
Bring it like that.
I didn't
It's okay.
know.
Yeah, it's okay. What is this? We got her sterling silver earrings. She lost one of them in the drain and the other one, the back of it broke. So it's sterling silver to protect your infections, guys. Stay healthy, don't do drugs, stay in school. Basically, everything Srina's cried about in the past 3 months. Now she can't cry. She has to find new things to cry about, which I have no doubt she will. This is a beginner's makeup skincare kit.
So much faith in me.
Not literally, no. But
No, it's all makeup.
Sephora, please sponsor. Thank you.
Honest.
I knew.
You knew it? What is
How?
this? How you knew?
How?
It was a one.
Oh, it's from the box?
No. You said it so many times with Isha Vinya. Like, should get her a mug. We should get her a mug. We should get her a mug.
Okay, so show it what it is.
It's for your Doodh wali coffee.
Like compliment me inside. मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
No.
Thank you guys. I already gave you hugs, so that's enough.
Wait, just give her the whiskey again.
One
This is your
hug
fault.
and
You gave her that
third.
friend.
It's my birthday today, like the day. But thankfully, sun is out. Me and Ananya are going for a cute lunch, brunch, I don't know, brunch vibe, I don't know. Like, I don't know what to call it, it's so random. Yeah, and I'm wearing my new clothes that my friends gave me. And I'm wearing a bow in my head because Ananya's head, so I don't know if you can see it. You'll
looks
see it
very
through the
cute.
vlog.
Yeah.
Yes, and even Ananya's dressed us very cutely. She is in summer. She's like, the cold does not exist anymore.
Yeah.
But hopefully the day will stay like this.
It's so good. These are the vibes. You think
It
about
smells really good.
okay.
I don't know what it is. It smells really
I'll
good.
keep it a secret. Try to guess what it is. What do you?
Chocolate mousse.
That's exactly what it is. Oh my god. To you. Happy birthday, dear Serena. Happy.
Drake ordered this to his hotel room, so it has to be good.
Oh. बार दिन ये आए, बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल.
No. Everybody say woo! Let's go, Serena. I made it to my house.